Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to whitelist IP address in Cloudflare. First, go and log into your Cloudflare account. Once inside, you will see your domains, so go ahead and select on the domain that you want to work with. Once inside, on the left panel, go to Security. Under it, you can go to WAF or Web Application Firewall, or you can go to Security Rules if you don't have that. Now in here, we will make a rule to whitelist an IP address, so go ahead and create a new one. Then choose Custom Rules. Now, you need to type in a rule name for it. After that, for the field, click on the drop down. Then here, select on IP source address. For the operator, choose equals. Then for the value, go ahead and type in the IP address that you want to whitelist. You can go ahead and add another one if you'd like to. After that, for the action, click on the drop down. Then here, select skip. Then for the WAF components, go and check this all remaining custom rules. After that, click on the deploy button once everything is done. And there you have it. You now have whitelisted an IP address in Cloudflare. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.